In order to create a simple alpha video project, start by uploading your assets into the AR Media Platform's Asset Manager. Alpha videos must be uploaded using two separate components, one for the base footage, and one for the alpha channel. Move to the Projects area, and create a new alpha video project. Add a thumbnail, it is a mandatory requirement. Create a new experience and a new scene. Since it is a planar AR scene, add the image you want to use as the target that will enable your content on mobile. Edit the scene by adding your alpha video. Position and scale it as you prefer. Eventually manage the interactions using the Behaviors Manager. When you're done editing the scene, save it. Finally, you can test the project on mobile, using the AR Media Player. Scan the QR code associated with the experience, and then point the camera at the target image.